Strobe lights flash like it's midday sun. Poker hands fold, but we're never done. Cards on fire, chips stacked sky high. Under Vegas stars, let's touch the sky. Spin the wheel, let the good times roll. Pour me drinks till I lose control. Jackpot dream, shining gold so bright. Vegas owns our souls tonight.
Dance is called Rolling the Dice in Vegas. It's a 32 counts for beginner level line dance, starting with the right foot. Section 1. Weight is on the left foot. Slightly to right diagonal, right foot, step, lock, step, lock, step. Slightly to left diagonal, left foot, step, lock, step, lock, step. Section 2, vine, drag. Right foot, side, behind. Take a big step right to right side, drag, left towards right. Rolling vine touch. You're going to have a rolling vine, full turn left. Quarter, half, quarter. Touch right next to left. Section 3, 1/8 left turn facing 10-30. Step forward right. Pivot, half turn left. Weight onto left foot facing 430. Run forward, right, left, right. Side rock or sway, sway. And then you do a left sailor step. Still facing 430. Section 4, right foot, cross rock, recover. 3/8 left sailor step. So you're going to have a 3/8 left turn sailor step. Facing 9. Skate diagonally forward left, skate right. Rock forward, rock back, rock forward with hip bumps. Forward, rock, back, rock, forward, rock with hip bumps. Weight is on the left foot. And begin the dance again facing the 9 o'clock roll. Let's do the counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and